In today's video, we're taking a look at how to change a light fixture. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything used on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And this technique can work for any type of light fixture. This particular one is a tube lighting that is under the cabinet on top of the sink. So we want to go for something LED that lasts longer and that doesn't, when it's going bad, it looks like you entered a haunted house. So the first thing we want to do is turn off the breakers, because the last thing you want on a sunny day is to die, and especially in the kitchen before having your last meal. Let's go ahead and remove the bulb. In our case, a tube. If yours has a housing, you can go ahead and remove that first. And to remove the tube lighting, basically what you want to do is twist the tube until you match the notches on each corner and pull out. Let's go ahead and double check to verify that there's no electricity in the fixture, because we only like bacon in our plates. To remove the housing, we're going to see two indentations on each side of the housing. We're going to push that in with our finger and pull out. Now that we have the housing off, we can go ahead and check it one more time, because we still got to finish this video for you guys, and we don't want to be the fried chicken on that plate. In this case, our fixture is caulked in to the wall. So we know that removing one screw is still not going to get it off. So we're going to go ahead and remove the left screw that holds the fixture to the wall. If in your case it doesn't have caulking, you can wait to remove the two screws at the end. Let's go ahead and remove the covers from the wires. We can go ahead and remove the ground screw that holds the ground wire. We can go ahead and remove the last screw now that holds the light fixture. A pro tip: using a blade and cutting around the light fixture, the caulking or the paint, it's going to help prevent any tear out from the paint, and it's going to make it easier to remove the light fixture. In our case, we only had to do the bottom, but in your case, you might have to do all around the fixture. So as you can tell, this is original to the house, so a much needed upgrade is a good thing. Now that you can see the original wallpaper and you have some holes in the wall, we're ready to place our new light fixture. If you want to cover the holes now and paint, you can go ahead and do that. We're going to do that after we put the new fixture. We chose a low consumption LED light because it would be subtle if in case at nighttime you want to go into the kitchen and inspect to see if the cockroaches are taking over your home. Being very low consumption, it does need a converter from high power to low power. But don't worry, this is going to fit right behind the fixture, so we don't have to make space on the wall for that. So we have two wires. We have the live wire with the letter L, and we have the neutral wire with the letter N. And in this case, we don't need a ground wire. If your system does have a ground wire, you can go ahead and screw it on the green screw on your light fixture, or the screw for the ground. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and screw the brackets that hold the fixture in place. You can use a level to make sure it's straight, but in the StatUpBox team, eyeballing it, it's what's all about, because here in the team, we pride ourselves with living in the edge. In our case, we're going to use the two screws directly on the wall, but you can also use the anchors that came with your fixture. Let's go ahead and put the live wire with the letter L, twist it together, and then go ahead and twist the cap on. In our case, the black wire was our live wire and our white wire was our neutral wire. Now, let's go ahead and do that for the neutral wire as well. Now for extra precaution, we're going to add some electrical taping around the covers to make sure they don't come loose in the future. This is optional. Because we're not using the ground wire, we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess. But we're not going to cut it off all the way, just in case in the future we want to place something else. Let's go ahead and place the wires inside the wall, but leaving the converter outside of the wall. In this case, to make it easier to connect, we disconnected the converter from the light fixture. Now we're going to connect the light fixture to the converter. We're going to go ahead and place the light fixture on the bracket and place the 2 screws that hold it in from both sides. Having help for these options goes a long way. So get your Watson and let them know for helping you. You're going to give them some ice cold, refreshing, bubbly, sparkling water for helping you. Now that you feel confident that you're not going to burn the house down, you can go ahead and turn on the breakers. Now comes the less exciting part of the job, and that's patching some holes and painting. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.